Disney, Anna, and Elsa all hailed the Queen. The musicians recognized Elsa at once. They stopped playing and bowed deeply to the Queen. Then they picked up their instruments again. They played a slow, dignified song. It was Handel's royal anthem. Elsa tried her best to clap along, but the song was too slow. It sounded nothing like the cheerful song the band had been playing moments before. The villagers began to forget. Arundel's royal anthem wasn't just slow, it was also long. Suddenly, Anna hitched up her skirts. She kicked up her heels and started to dance. The musicians noticed and played faster. They wanted to keep up with Anna's sprightly steps. Elsa laughed and danced along with Anna. The anthem had never sounded so good. Soon the villagers joined the dancing. Queen and her sister, everyone moved happily in time to the music. Elsa and Anna danced across the cobblestones all the way to Florian's famous Flangendorfers.